YouTube channel, and it's me again, Hasty and I. And I had done my vlog since possibly a month ago already, or 3 weeks ago, because I had studied for my NCLEX exam, and now that I am done with it, I can actually do unboxing again. And to those who have not yet subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe and click the bell button so that you will be notified if I have new vlogs as well. So at the moment, what I'm gonna do is actually do an unboxing of Poratble Air Conditioner, because very hot right now already here in Montreal, and my baby had 2 episodes already of nosebleed, and that's why I opted to just buy a portable aircon. So it's from Danby. I actually bought it in Best Buy, so we're gonna check it out and we'll see how it look inside, and I hope everything works fine so that we will not have any hassle of having it be back again to the manufacturer. So yeah, so please enjoy watching my video while I'm doing my unboxing. So my husband will be helping me out in doing this unboxing thing, because it's a really huge portable aircon and it's quite heavy. So yeah, so it's from Danby, you can see it. As I told you a while ago, I bought it in Best Buy with $551 with tax included already and free shipping. And so the claims is I should say. So it's a 3-in-1 portable air conditioner, 14,000 BTU. So it's a 3-in-1 design, air conditioning, fan, and dehumidifier. Single hose design efficiently exhausts warm, humid air outside. And an auto restart unit automatically restarts after a power failure. Dehumidifier mode with direct drain for continuous operation. So it's like a 3-in-1 really. Auto swing, it circulates the air in the living space. It has a 24-hour timer as well, so it's cool. Electronic controls with LED display and remote. So it has a remote. Easily control your unit from anywhere with a wireless connect feature. So this is a one that I would be very interested with. The areas that will be cooled will be up to 65 metric squared, like 700 square feet. And it's really a huge machine that's very heavy as well. So it actually came from BC, and came after coming from BC. It went to the airport of Brampton, coming to here in Montreal already. So I ordered it last May 29, I think, and it's like a 1 week shipping. So you can see, guys, that the weight of it is 80 pounds. It's like 40 kilos. Yeah, so opening this box. So yeah, you can open it now. So this is my husband actually. This is this guy over there. Welcome to my vlog. We have here the instruction kit. Yeah. So, and I have that's my baby. Say hi, Jane. Say hi.
Hi, Jane.
No, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Jane.
What's her name?
Bye.
Okay. So here, I think this would be the remote control. Ta-da! So it's Danby.
This one, me.
Okay.
The dice.
Power cord.
No, this is a dice.
So this one, everything is for actually.
Test and reset.
So test and reset. I don't know what are those.
Yeah.
Oh, this is for the hexos. Kane, come. Your Prince Kane. Come. Prince Kane. Ta-da! So actually, guys, this portable aircon has already this thing that you will not already buy it anywhere else. It's included with this unit as well, so it's cool.
So it's the door kit. The other one has the hole for the exhaust.
And it's impatient already, so he opened it by himself. Okay, King Carlo, you rip it up, anak. Good job. You're doing unboxing as well, anak? Yes. Okay. Are you happy? Kane, are you happy? Okay, yes. So, this is for the remote control. I have one handy. And this one is if you want to do it
Exhaust. That's
also
for the
this is for the exhaust, he said.
This one is for the drainage for the dehumidifier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because this one is 3-in-1: humidifier, fan, and air.
Air conditioner with wireless as well.
Yeah.
So possibly we can try it. Okay. So we're gonna try it. Okay. And then I don't know about this. Oh, is it yours enough? Give it to Tatay. Come on. Oh, so we have to push the power button here. So I think this is for the temperature. So if you want to pull it down and pull it off, the temperature, I mean, and it goes simultaneous going. I don't know what's happening. Wait. Please turn on and allow 3 to 5 minutes before cooling begins. Okay, so as you can see, it's swinging. So it's quite good. I think it's not very noisy. So my claim here is that it's good. It's quiet. And how it operates. So here we have here the fan mode. If you want to have it, the fan mode. Press the mode button. It's like this.
Dehumidifier.
So it's on dehumidifier mode. That's the fan, I guess. And this is for the air conditioning. So as you can see, that's 64 degrees Fahrenheit. And the Wi-Fi there is flash. Interested on buying this, you can just check out Best Buy. They have a good deal with this one. So it's Danby 14,000 BTU, and check my the link below to see specifics as well. So thank you guys for being with us again, and please do like and subscribe again, as I told you a while ago. And I will be putting again a new vlog possibly by next week about the microdermabrasion kit that I have uploaded earlier on my review on the machine itself, on how it's been working with my face as well. So thank you guys and stay safe. Bye.